So guys, I think I kind of lost my way to the Woodstock cave. It became super steepy path, like I need to climb with my hands by climbing on the walls, and to be honest it's really stupid of me to continue. Hey guys, I just arrived to Cape Town like 2 hours ago, and as you can hear on my voice, I'm already hiking. I have here in total like only 1.5 days, so not much time to see, and there are plenty of things to see here. The first thing that I'm doing now is I'm climbing a small path called KLOOF corner. It's next to the Table Mountain. So I just reached to the top of the KLOOF corner trail. It's a little bit steep, the climb, I have to admit. Not long, maybe around, for me it took like 20 minutes, more or less, maybe even less. I was a little bit running because I have like only 2.5 hours of sun, so I'm a little bit in rush. But the views, god damn it, wow, incredible, incredible, look at that. So yeah, really recommend to go here. It's short, beautiful, a little bit steep hike, but it's not too bad. Yeah, so I have like less than 2 hours of sun. I'm gonna head down to the beach, which right now I forgot what's the name, and I will try to fly my drone there. So I'm here. So I'm here at the Camps Bay, that's the name of the beach, and wow, I cannot even explain you. I just opened the door of the car, smell the air, and it's like, wow. You have here the sea, the beach, white sand, people surfing, and then you have here the mountains. It's like the perfect combination, it's amazing. Hey guys, good morning. It's my second day here in Cape Town. I woke up pretty early, like 6:30 a.m. more or less. The sun rises here pretty late, like around 7:30, 7:45 at least at this time of the year. So I really want to catch a good place to see the sunrise. So I just decided to start to drive down the to start driving down south to the Cape of Good Hope. That's the name. I'm really bad with names. So I stopped in a place called Muizenberg Beach, which ended up to be so nice. Like, it's so chill down here. It's amazing. Like, it's only the weekday. It's like Thursday today, and still like you'll be able to see people stroll around. Like, it's already 8-9 a.m. and people stroll around with their dogs, going to surf. Seems like nobody works here. It's crazy. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna grab a coffee here, enjoy a little bit of the atmosphere of the ocean, and I'm gonna go back to the car and head south. Before that, I'll take my drone up and show you around.
Like a page, and I can cry, and I can smile, but you can't try. You can try, you can try to fill my heart with your love. You can draw an elephant in snow. You can draw my soul. You can draw my soul. You can fix my heart when it becomes too dark. You can fix this world. You will fix this world. You can, you can. You can, you can, you can.
I'm on my way to Woodstock Cave. Should be a really nice panoramic view on the city. And I want to tell you something. When you write Woodstock Cave in Cape Town in Google, one of the first results, there is someone who wrote there, park your car at the memorial place. There is some memorial hall. I'll write it down in the info. The park down at the memorial place, and then expect 1 hour of pleasant walk until you reach the cave. So let me tell you something. That's far from being pleasant. Pleasant walk? That's not a pleasant walk. I need to fucking climb here with my hands. That's insane. It's all the way up, not even one part of flat surface, and it's steep, it's fucking steep. I'm not even half the way and I'm already exhausted. So watch out. I'll let you know how long it took me, but for sure it's not pleasant. So guys, I think I kind of lost my way to the Woodstock cave. It became super steepy path, like I need to climb with my hands by climbing on the walls, and to be honest it's really stupid of me to continue instead of understanding that I lost my way. Like, it became super steep. Like, yeah. So don't try this at home. Not at home. Don't try this at all. To be honest, I really recommend not to come here. Doesn't worth the hustle, the steep climb. The view is nice, it's beautiful, but too dangerous, too confusing. Don't come here. If it's not enough that I lost my way, so then I met two local people. Extremely nice. They offered to show me the way. So I walked with them a little bit, but then at some point they say, just be aware, sometimes people sleeping there in the cave and you look a little bit vulnerable with this big camera, so just be careful, and if someone comes with a knife, just think what's more important, your camera or your life. So I said thanks a lot, and I'm going back to the car, and I think I will end up this experience of the Woodstock cave by not going to the Woodstock cave and keeping on with my life without having any danger of someone will pop out with a knife. Hey guys, good morning or good night. It's day 3 in my South African trip. 4:25 a.m. in the morning. I'm going now to Cape Town airport. Unfortunately, leaving this amazing, beautiful city of Cape Town, and I'm gonna fly today to Johannesburg, where I'm gonna meet my sister. We haven't met, I think, for the past 6 or 7 months. So I'm gonna meet her there, and then we're gonna start our mutual trip together.